Hi, welcome to the design channel. In this video, let me show you how to make this exercise. And this model is known as Crankshaft. Well, you can see the dimension part here. From the Solidworks interface, let's start from front plane and make it normal too. Right from this one and click sketch. Click to this toggle and select for midpoint line, and for this option you can select for construction. Make for vertical line, right click, then click select. Well, for this one, let's give the smart dimension for this for construction line to 140 mm. Then press enter. Click to the circle, then set for diameter value to 40 mm. And then click to this circle, press and escape, press and hold the control button, then click to this circle, then click to this point, and then add a relation for coincidence. Then make for 1s. Start from this for construction line, and then we can set for 10 mm for its distance. Press enter. And then I want to show you how to make this third circle. Change for diameter value by press and hold the control button, then click to this circle. So for the add relation, just click for equal, and then click to smart dimension, and I want to change for its distance and define for 60 mm. Let's make for bigger circle from this position and set for 80 mm for its diameter. For the next step, let's define for 10 mm for this distance, and then enter. Then let's connect for the outside sketch. For the last sketch, right click and click select for this vertical line, and I want to change for construction, then apply. Well, let's define for 45 degrees for this angle. Then press enter. For the next step, let's delete for the unnecessary line by click to this toggle and select for trim entities. And then I want to mirror for this left side by click mirror entities, and then I want to click for this for construction line to entities to mirror box, and then select for this line. Right click and selection. Let's give for construction line for mirror path, and then I want to make for this left sides to be entities to mirror, and then apply. Trim entities to delete for this unnecessary line. For the next step, let's give the thickness for this sketch by click extrude wash by, and then click a feather. For the first one, for this direction one, change for midplane, and then let's set for 40 mm for this value, and I want to set for this sketch. Apply. So you will see the 3D model from this interface, and I want to show you how to make the double extrude wash from this sketch by click to this surface and then click sketch, and then from this sketch 3 select for convert entities, so the sketch will appear from this surface, and then I want to give the thickness by click a feather, then go to the extrude wash. From the drawing we can see the dimension value is 20 mm it's given. Make sure all the corner is selected. Then apply. Let's make for the same way, give the sketch like a previous one. And then I want to give for 40 mm for this sketch thickness. Well, and I want to inform all the model is merging, and then let's give for mirror. From this mirror face box you can expand for this tree, and then select for front plane, and then from this body to mirror you could just click for this body, then apply. Well, the result will appear from this interface. Ctrl 7 to change for the isometric view. I'm sorry, there are mistakes from this modeling from this extrude wash, and I want to add a feature to change for this thickness and make it for 20 mm, and then apply. Well, the part is done. If you want to change the appearance, you can click for this icon and select for this option for the example, and I want to select for metal properties, and maybe it's for sunblasted steel, and then apply. The part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. If you want to find more tutorial, you can check my playlist, and see you on my next video.